I went online shopping and I have made so many mistakes. I'm not proud of this, but I think I started buying these advent calendars in September. That's how much I love advent calendars. But basically, I went on eBay.com and I kept on finding the most bizarre, the weirdest advent calendars. To the point that some of these that I've got here, you guys are gonna be like, I actually can't believe this is a thing that people spend money on. But I did it. I spent my money on this. So I'm about to unbox the weirdest food advent calendars that money can buy you. I don't know exactly where we should start here, but I think this is gotta be one of the weirdest ones. I think the name of this calendar is Merry Piggin Christmas, and this is by the Snaffling Pig Company. This is a pork scratching or pork crackling advent calendar. It's so weird, guys. I honestly can't. So I'm gonna unbox the 1st of December. Ooh. It doesn't say what flavor it is. It's just got the logo of the company, but we're gonna open this. So this is what it looks like. If you don't know what pork scratching is, it's basically deep fried pork skin. I guess that's like a good way to describe it. So to me, this is a little bit weird. I mean, I'm gonna give it a try, but this is so weird that this is in an advent calendar. I mean, it tastes pretty good, annoyingly, but it's still so bizarre. Should we open like the 25th of December as well? Or the 24th? Maybe it's the same as the 1st of December. Let's try. I think it's the same flavor. Maybe it's the same flavor in every single one of them. I'm gonna open the 11th of December. No. That's the same thing. I was expecting so much of this one because, I mean, clearly nothing screams Christmas like a pork scratching calendar, but I think the flavor on every single one of these is exactly the same, so that's a little bit disappointing. I do like it, and it is weird if that's what you're looking for with advent calendars. I'm gonna put it all back and then just gift it to one of the people in my life that I hate. Merry Chrysler. For the next one, I'm gonna open the Jelly Belly advent calendar, and I know you guys are gonna love this one because it's those jelly beans that either taste amazing or like really bad, like flavors like vomit. It's basically that in an advent calendar, so you can either get moldy cheese or caramel popcorn. The little doors on this one are actually really cool. I'm trying to open the first, but it's not working. It's very puffed up, so I'm not gonna try many of these because I already know I hate these because like they always taste so gross. So I'm gonna grab a white one. The white one is either spoiled milk or coconut, so that's coconut. Or maybe I love spoiled milk. I guess we'll never know, but that's pretty good. This is either dead fish or a strawberry banana smoothie. I mean, I don't know if this is good or bad. I mean, I kind of like it. I'm pretty sure that was meant to be booger flavor. And I think I liked it. When my mom used to buy these for me when I was little, the last day was always like a giant Santa, like made of chocolate. When I was still a normal person buying normal advent calendars. This is either Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti, so... Oh my god. I'm done with this, guys. Let's move on to the next one. This is gross. We're gonna go to the next one, and I feel like I haven't found one that actually matched my expectations, but I think this next one is gonna be the one. This is a Beanies flavor coffee. Every single day you get a different coffee. And like, people drink coffee every day, so it makes sense to me that this is an advent calendar, so we're gonna open it. This is the best advent calendar idea like ever. Like, most of the calendar days are actually on the side, so we've got like the 10th, the 18th, and all the other days, and then on this side you've got basically the same thing. But then in the front, you've got the 1st of December and also the 24th 24th, so the first and the last day, and it's like a giant like window, and this is exactly what I love in advent calendars. Like, so I'm gonna open the 1st and the 24th, and then also one of the normal ones. This is so cool, guys. It comes with like a travel mug. I mean, it does look like it's been used before, and extra coffee. So the 1st of December comes with the mug, and then it comes with hazelnut and also with creamy caramel flavor. I'm going to open the 24th. On the last day of the month, you actually get a whole jar of coffee. The name of the coffee is Winter Warmer. And basically, I think it says you're supposed to drink it like on the 24th of December. And then I'm gonna open one on the side, just because I'm interested in the mechanics of it. This one is Irish cream flavor, and this one is cinnamon hazelnut. I'm gonna make the creamy caramel. I should definitely wash this because it smells like it's been used before. If I haven't died yet, it's not gonna happen now. Starbucks is gonna go out of business. I'm not like someone who appreciates coffee, but like I appreciate when something tastes like sweet, and this tastes really, really good. It tastes like caramel, but not like fake artificial. It's 300% approved by me, and let's move on to a different one because I want to eat something for this next one. This is my favorite one for the whole video because growing up, I used to always see this advent calendar at the store, and my mom would always be like, no. So I finally bought the Pringles advent calendar, and I think this one is supposed to be amazing. This is only 12 days, but I can kind of understand why, because it takes so much space. So if this was 24 days, it'd be like double. It could be like a book. Finally a book that I would want to read. So we're gonna open the 1st of December. This is one of my favorite flavors. This is Texas barbecue Pringles. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Merry Christmas. Merry Chrysler. Merry Christmas. I wonder what flavor you get on the last day of the advent calendar, because if it's original flavor, I'm gonna be so upset. It's salt and vinegar. It's actually my favorite flavor from Pringles. Ah, I love Christmas. They could have easily put like the same flavor on every single one of these. Like you could get the original flavor for every single one, but actually there's a lot of different flavors. Should we just open all of them? Oh, this is so satisfying. And the last ones. Oops. Well, that's not meant to happen. So on the top is barbecue flavor. The second one is salt and vinegar. The third one is original. And the fourth one is sour cream and onion. Oh, that's what Christmas smells like to me. I'm gonna put all of these back so I can re-gift it to people. They're gonna be like, there's a window missing. I'm like, stop being so high maintenance. This next one doesn't need introduction. This is so friggin' weird. This is a cheese advent calendar, and I actually bought this one at the supermarket because so many of you guys have tweeted me to buy this for a video. I actually had to keep this one in the fridge because it does go bad if you... Oh, that is beautiful. I feel like I've opened this before. I know it's cheese on the inside, so it's not like the classiest of advent calendars, but it does look beautiful, and I like the open thing. Me at the library, what are you doing? I'm reading. Me, if I ever release a book as well, like, it would be just food. Like, every page is edible. I actually kind of find it satisfying to open all of them, so... Ooh, this one's wet. Okay, we're not gonna open all of them. On the 1st of December, you get cranberry cheese. So the 13th of December is... I don't know how to pronounce that type of cheese. Edam cheese? It's no chocolate, but I think I would like that as an advent calendar. I'll make a cheese toastie every day to celebrate Christmas. Let's open the 24th, the last day of the month. Oh, it's gingerbread cheese. What? It's gingerbread flavored cheese. I've lived my whole life without trying gingerbread cheese. Oh, it's soft. This is one of the worst things I've ever tried. It feels like Play-Doh. I refuse to believe that this had to go through so many people and they actually ate this and thought, tastes fine. And they give it to you on the 24th. Like, thank you very much for ruining Christmas. I like this. I think this is really fun. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 different types of cheeses. Being the special one, the gingerbread one, and also the one that I absolutely could not stand. Like, that was so weird. I bought this one on eBay and I think they sell it as a savory advent calendar, so I don't know much about what's actually in it. So I'm gonna open the 1st of December and let's see if it's truly a savory advent calendar. What is that? Wasabi peanuts. Nothing screams Christmas like wasabi peanuts. Let's just say that if you eat this on the 24th, you're gonna poop a little funny on Christmas Day. I'm actually getting excited for this one because they're very spicy, but they taste good. So let's open the 24th. On the 24th, we've got smoked almonds. It's savory snacks, but it's like mostly nuts. I was kind of expecting like weird stuff, like maybe cheese, but it's a nut calendar. Tastes like almonds. Not as crazy as the wasabi peas in terms of spiciness, but pretty good. I'm gonna try the 18. Hotel mix. Right, nice. The second is smoked almonds. Okay, so there's a few options in here, not too many. Smoked paprika coated peanuts. That sounds delicious, actually. Oh my god, that's really good. That is seriously really good. Yep. That's the winner on this one. So flavorful. Oh, honey peanuts. Oh, there's also a sweet one. Chocolate peanuts and yogurt raisins. Me. Don't mind if I do. All of it. Ah, chocolate, finally. Wait, is that raisins? I hate raisins. And that was essentially it. I mean, I feel like this was such a weird video. Like, can you believe these items actually exist? I would say that my favorite one, I'm gonna have to say the beanies flavored coffee, or maybe the Pringles one. That one was really good as well. And my least favorite, 100%, the pork scratching, just because I thought it's pretty boring that it's all one flavor. And also, like, I'm not the biggest fan of like pork scratching. It's like kind of weird for me. Hopefully you guys still enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like. Give the video a like if you think I should actually re-gift these things and give it to people in my family as like a prank, and then film it and put it on YouTube for Christmas Day. That would literally ruin Christmas in my family, but I'm so down to actually make it happen. Just re-gift things that I bought for videos. That's a video idea. Give it a like if you want to watch that. Also guys, please don't forget to subscribe and switch my notifications on. It's Christmas and I've got a lot of videos planned for Trashmas, and I would love if you could subscribe and switch my notifications on. Also, let me know a better name than Trashmas. Like, I feel like that's kind of cringy. It's a little on the cringy side, like Trashmas, but I can't think of anything better for my Christmas videos. So let me know in the comment section down below video idea suggestions, and I will actually give you credit. Like, every time there will be an intro with it, I will give you credit to whoever came up with the name. That's it for this video guys. I love you guys and I will see you after tomorrow. Bye bye.